Today I'm going to be unboxing the ProGrade digital USB 3.2 generation 2.0 dual card slot reader for CFast 2.0. And I originally had a cheaper model that went bad. I decided to purchase this one for these CFast cards, and I normally shoot on my Zcam E2S6, so I needed something that's reliable and fast, and that I can avoid issues that I was having before. And the last card reader, I always had issues where it constantly dropped while it was copying, and I'm hoping that this will not be the case for this card reader. So did some reviews on B&H, and people were giving some good feedback on it, so decided to spend a little bit more money for this one. And let's plug it in and see how fast it does. This one is a USB to a Type-C. I don't have a Type-C in my power, so, well, maybe this is a Type-C on the back end. It is. This is Type-C to Type-C, so I don't use that one. I guess I want to go back to my first one that I opened. Pardon the shake. My camera phone is strapped to my neck, so whatever little jitters I get in my head area, neck area, will have a little shake because my shoulder is supporting the camera. Okay, and obviously I'm not doing a cinema type of video here. I'm just doing it an unboxing, and just to see if the unit works just fine. Okay, plug in the Type-C in there. I'm gonna get my card, and these aren't the best CFast cards, but they're the most cost-effective when I purchased them through B&H. Okay, CFast-II. Come on. What's going on? Oh, so it's upside down. Weird. See, I see all those ports there. Okay, yeah, it's upside down. Okay, now it goes in. That is weird. Normally you would have this side on this side. That is just weird. So, advice to anybody who's trying to do DIT and they don't thoroughly look at it, that can give issues. Wow, that connected pretty quickly. Okay, I'm not going to show you my monitor because there's a lot of files I don't really want you to see as far as private stuff, but just know it works. And let me see. The card's empty, but it did fire pretty quickly. Let me see if I can switch it up to a different card. Eject. Come on, eject. Okay. I am running on a Windows, so it's okay to eject there. I'm gonna get my other card, I think, that has footage in it. Come on, Zcam. Okay, the test here is how fast it copies. Well, I gotta remember to flip this. Wow, that's pretty quick as far as the read. So, all right. So this has footage. Okay, I'm gonna